Hi there, my name is Adam Toy, and I'm honored to be the principal here at the historic DeWitt Perry Middle School. Thank you so much for clicking on this link and joining us as we take a virtual tour around our campus and the wonderful programs we have here, including our signature programs.
Our main goal is to prepare students for life after high school, whether that's college, trade school, military, or the workforce. Avid sets out to prepare kids to be successful for whatever is to come. Some of the ways we do that include we have college students joining our class twice a week to offer support for rigorous pre-AP classes. There's a local community group called Rush 180 that works closely with Avid twice a month to promote positive self-esteem and healthy relationships. Our class curriculum focuses on learning how to study, how to improve organization, time management, and community service. And best of all, when we're not in a pandemic, the most favorite part of Avid is our college field trips. So there's lots of reasons to join Avid. You should check it out.
Hi, future Eagles. We here at Perry, we know that every student is unique and needs to be challenged in different ways. Our Academic Creative Education, or ACE program, is designed to engage that gifted learner with rigorous content, real-world application, and innovative and creative ideas. These learners, they may be able to absorb and process information rather quickly. They might comprehend with a greater depth and complexity, and they may even have unique interests that are well beyond their years. Our gifted and talented teachers at Perry are ready to cultivate those interests and take the learning of these students to new heights. We cannot wait to have you here at Perry. See you soon, future Eagles.
There are 2 GT programs in the district, and with ACE encompassing all the campuses in the district. The LEAP program is smaller because it serves students identified as highly gifted in kindergarten through 8th grade. If your child is already GT ACE identified and needs greater challenge in all academic areas, then screening for the GT LEAP program could be your next step. We also offer screening for students not currently enrolled in CFB but interested in coming and attending CFB schools. We are screening now for current pre-kindergarten students through 5th grade students. Come and check out our LEAP interest form on the Advanced Academic Services page. See you soon.
The DeWitt Perry Robotics Club has been around for probably a little bit over 20 years. In the Robot Club, we learn all about programming. We use real programming languages, nothing made up. We use Python and we use C. We build robots out of really cool, really advanced robot controllers. We're not using, Lego. We're using actual real controllers used in the real world. And I've got students that have went on to get degrees in engineering and robotics, and they've gone on to MIT, to Stanford, to University of Texas, University of Oklahoma, and all over the place. Now they work in the industry. I've got students doing robotics and computer programming all over the United States in a variety of different fields. So come join the DeWitt Perry Robotics Club. We're one of the best robotics clubs in the entire United States.
Here at Kickstart, we like to teach character through karate. We teach it with our values curriculum, which teaches responsibility, respect, honesty, and other values that we teach throughout the year. And then with our physical curriculum, we teach strikes, kicks, katas, sparring, and self-defense. We have many events that we have throughout the year. The kids will start at white belt and end at black belt if they come back in high school. And we have belt ceremonies, tournaments, demo team, and a lot more.
We are proud of the many signature programs here at DeWitt Perry Middle School. Next, we want to talk to you a little bit about what it means to be a Perry Eagle. But rather than me tell you about it, we're going to let some of our own Eagle students, teachers, and parents tell you about it.
I would tell a 5th grader who's coming to Perry next year to be prepared to be thrown into a magical world of learning and fun that accepts mistakes and turns them into successes.
You'll find that at DeWitt Perry, it's really like a family, and I know everybody says that, but you'll really find it to be true here.
The best part of Perry is the teachers and the staff. They're really devoted to their students, and they genuinely care about their well-being, both inside and outside the classroom. My son is now at Turner, and he still talks about how great his teachers were at Perry. I really feel like the most important part of having a great school is its leader. Mr. Toy has done an amazing job of setting really high academic expectations at Perry. We really enjoyed being part of the Perry community, and we think that anyone else who joins the community will love it as well. So go Eagles!
It is a wonderful feeling knowing my children are in good hands every day when they come to school. As the PTA president, I know firsthand that this is a community of educators and families who work together to support and further its mission to create an enriching learning environment for all students.
Now we'd like to take a moment and introduce you to the wonderful programs and opportunities your students will have in fine arts, athletics, and CTE.
The award-winning fine arts programs at Perry Middle School offer your student a chance to be a part of a unique group of students who get to express themselves through the visual arts, acting, singing, and learning how to play a musical instrument. There is no experience needed for your student to participate in our classes. The different elective opportunities for your students include art, band, choir, orchestra, and theater. As a fine arts team, we work with each other to ensure students can be a part of multiple fine arts groups. We look forward to getting the opportunity to let you express yourself through the fine arts programs here at the historic DeWitt Perry Middle School.
At DeWitt Perry Middle School, our goal in our athletic program is to reach peak performance and development on the field and on the court. Now, off the field, we're looking to develop great character and great character traits. We want to teach grit, toughness, and also perseverance. One of our favorite phrases here at DeWitt Perry is fall down 7 times and stand up 8. We want to teach our students the real life connections that you get on the court, that some of the obstacles that you face in a sporting event can also apply to the things that you'll see and have to overcome in the real world. Hi there. The Cte program stands for Career and Technical Education, and here at DeWitt Perry, it is our job to prepare students for their next step. We want to give students real-world experience here in the classroom. At the middle school level here at DeWitt Perry, our goal is to get our kids ready for high school academies where they'll learn and have many great experiences to propel them into the future. Specifically here in my classroom, we use design concepts and software, and even AutoCAD software that's used in high school, college, and even professionally in the real world.
We're excited about the future opportunities your student is going to have in those fantastic programs here at Perry Middle School. I'm currently sitting in our historic DeWitt Perry Middle School Auditorium. It was originally built in 1936, and we're very proud of it. There's a lot of performances and gatherings that happen in this place. We want to take just a minute to talk to you a little bit about where DeWitt Perry has been historically in this community and where we're going in the future. This portion of the video shows you where our school has been over the last 80 years and where we hope to be in a little over a year when it's completed. As you know, DeWitt Perry Middle School is scheduled for a major remodel to begin this coming summer. While major renovations will be happening, there will be no impact on course and program offerings, as well as no impact on the normal school day for our students. The future remodel includes new classroom spaces, new and improved athletic and fine arts facilities, and the addition of alternative learning spaces to accommodate the learning of our students for the 21st and 22nd century. We're proud of the rich heritage and deep tradition of academic excellence dating back to 1936, when the original portion of DeWitt Perry Middle School was built. At Perry, we firmly believe in the learning of all students, and we focus on loving and helping kids, rigorous coursework, excellence in fine arts and athletics, and service to our community. We now want to take a minute to help you stay connected and introduce you to a few key members of our family at Perry. We have 2 wonderful assistant principals, Mrs. Lisa Bates and Mr. Matt Smith, as well as 2 amazing counselors, Mrs. Charlene Stansberry and Mrs. Erin Felker. We encourage you to connect with us in one of several ways, all listed here. Feel free to email any of the administrative team at any time. Check out our website with lots of information regarding upcoming enrollment and all things Perry, as well as stay connected with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, all of which are updated daily. Thank you so much for joining us today and letting us tell you about the wonderful things going on here at the historic DeWitt Perry Middle School. Again, my name is Adam Toy. My email address is toya@cfbisd.edu. I hope that you'll reach out to me with any questions I can help answer for you. Don't forget that enrollment begins on February the 25th, and we look forward to your future Eagle being here next year.